What is up, everybody? Welcome to today's aftermarket trade recap. Today, I'm going to go over the trade that I taken in the PM session on an eval account, and then roughly just I'll quickly explain here that I am from now on trying to make videos of trade recaps, even if I don't upload them. I used to be very consistent if you have been around for a while, but then I just stopped being as consistent mainly because I sometimes didn't have times where I could upload in the day and I didn't want to upload a previous day's trade the next day. I did do it a few times, but over time it just got kind of pointless in my opinion, which also then affected me from not journaling via video anymore. And I don't have TradeZella anymore. I did forget I have one more platform that was very good, I would say, for being a non-mainstream one. So I might start using that again. But still, if I do take trades or recaps, I might not just upload them. This one, I feel like I should, because the last one I did not, and there was an update for that last one, which basically I did blow all three of the XFAs that I did have on Topstep. So I am officially no longer on any Express funded accounts. However, I do believe that I will be able to get back on the XFAs very quickly here. It's just, as of recently, it's kind of in a. I mean, I started two accounts and I am on an Apex, but it does seem like it's not going to be the easiest start. But that's just how it goes. You can't take it serious. You have to just recycle the accounts, go through, and everything like that. So that's what I'm doing. Especially now with Apex, if you guys have not heard, Apex now has end of day trailing drawdown, which with their accounts being like 85-90% off, you can pass in one day. Very worth it. And that's pretty much what takes us to the trade here. So coming into the PM session, I was on roughly around 120, 130. Pretty much my outlook was we are very bullish, but we still have previous day highs intact, which now that I realize it is a Monday, so technically I guess it's previous, not the previous week, but it's just the last day trading session. I don't know how much I take it serious, but it's still like it is technically the previous day, so to so. But anyways, we had that still intact, but however, I saw that we, super overbought throughout the morning area. So I wanted to see us take out this low, which then around that time we had the 1 hour fair value gap, I believe so, or either that or it formed at 2 p.m. I believe. I mean, I could just double check, I guess, real quick. This formed at the noon close. So yeah, we had a 1 hour that I wanted to see reaction from once we had taken out this low. And we had done that, but around 2 p.m. I was not really paying attention, so to say, realizing that there was an entry opportunity here, and I had missed that. But I figured lunch high, missed that also. But then I thought I would be able to get one more squeeze out of it right here, which obviously is not going to be the best technical entry point, I guess, based off of like a larger term discount range from the 2 p.m. till around the 2:30. But so to so, it's still, I would say, a B setup, B plus setup, which on eval, I'm not looking to take something great, but for being 50% of this range, I believe that's like probably a 3 minute, or no, actually, yeah, it's a 5 minute fair value gap that we're holding inside there. And then looking to get this 1 minute inverse fair value gap there. And not the best risk to reward, but that's just because with these Apex accounts, with one day to pass, I am going full out, every account I'm just gonna max out, and that's why I taken this with 5 contracts. I did forget that I honestly could have taken this with 6, but it doesn't really matter. Essentially, 25 points. That's a 3K profit target for what I need. The 18.75 stop loss. I mean, that's probably my max. Definitely my max on the day. Yeah, because I think 10 points is what I would have been able to withstand. I did not enter in 5 cons just here. I definitely would have been stopped out, but once I saw that it was coming back up here, that's when I entered for the last 4. And break even was this high right here. I could have just not really set a break even, but again, that wouldn't be part of my actual trading rules. Again, when it comes to the evals, it's a mix of following your rules and not, because I mean, again, if you're in your starting stages of trading, obviously take it as serious as possible, but I don't care what anyone tells you. Look at any other creator out there recently have been pushing an agenda as that if you are confident in your trading, you want to get through the eval stage as much as possible. and literally people talking about like, oh, the strategies I trade, like it's not. I don't really see it to be taken serious unless you are in a psychology problem, or you again are starting a new trader. Obviously, you wanted to keep that eval stage as legit as possible because this is you're getting into trading and you want to build those good habits. Whereas I can differentiate the habits that I take on my evals from my XFAs. So it's not something that I really care too much about. I just want to pass it. So yeah, just basically full porting the eval, and unfortunately I got stopped at break even. It did hit the previous day high, but that still would have been about 3 points shy of hitting the full take profit. If it was at like 2.5K, which probably around this high mark, hypothetically, if I was still in the position to not get break even, okay, I might have taken 2.5K because 500 more to pass, not a lot. But I was up about like a grand before getting stopped at break even, and that's still 2K to pass. I didn't really care. I want to get as close as possible and not just have to deal with it. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, just battling with that right now because that was like, I just wanted this one to pass, couldn't get it. Topstep, I just started 2 new ones, and then it's been a little bit of back and forth. I've only have like 2 days traded on it, so it's just the one day was really good, the one day was really bad. But again, it's the evals. I'm not putting too much emotion into it. Just want to get them done and over with. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that today. Yeah. So pretty much just wanted to update you guys on the XFA situation, but hopefully we'll be back and ready again on the XFA. So yeah, peace out.